Everything is ready. 220724 introduction to compiler. So I'm starting now. So as I mentioned to you in the last class, can you see this one? Compiler is a software. Compiler is a software. When you say software, it is a program. Compiler is a software, so it is a program. So, and one more thing is, it's not only a program, it's a very big program. It is a very big program. So there are so many functions. So many functions are there. Many functions are there. So as I mentioned to you, functions, right? Functions also I written. So let me write now. Lexical analyzer is the one function. Syntax analyzer is the one more function. Semantic analyzer is the one more function. Intermediate code generator is the one more function. Code optimization is the one more function. Target code generator is the one more function. So this is the compiler. Input is high level language. Output low level language. And while doing this at anywhere, if you have any problem, you can contact error controller. Next one, whenever the story going on, at anywhere if you want to store, you can store in symbol table. You can store in symbol table. This is what we discussed in the last class, right? Topic is introduction to compiler. That's the topic name. Introduction to compiler is the topic name, right? So compiler is a software which is a big program. When you say big program, many functions are there. So these are the function name. Lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimization, target code generator. Anywhere, any problem, contact error control. At anywhere, if you want to store anything, store in symbol table. Now my first question to everyone. Please give answer. Now my first question to everyone, please give answer to me. Who can store inside symbol table? My first question to everyone, please give answer. Who can store inside symbol table? Who can store inside symbol table? Lexical, syntax, semantic, intermediate code generation, code optimization, target code generator. Who can store? Make it fast. Who can store inside symbol table? These are also called as programming terminology. These are called functions. Programming terminology, these are called functions. In the compiler terminology, these are called as phases of compiler. These are also called phases of compiler. Phases of compiler are functions which are there inside a compiler. Phases of compiler. So can you help me now? Who can store inside symbol table? So remember everyone. Who can store is anyone. Whether they will store or not, it is a different story. Anyone can store. If at all there, select the all option. If at all there, select all option, because everyone having right. Whether they will do or not, it is a different story. Next one, who can inform the error handler? Anyone. Everyone having right. In this classroom, who can ask doubts? In this classroom, who can ask the doubts? Everyone. Some students may not ask. But everyone having right. Who can ask the doubt is everyone. So see the direction also. See the direction. See, everyone going to symbol table. Everyone going to the error handler. Whether they will do or not, it is a different story, right? They have right. Everyone having right. Everyone having right. Whether they will store or not, it is a different story. But everyone having right. If at all option there, select all. All option there, select all. Right. Okay. Okay. You are a little bit comfortable. Now let's see how exactly going on inside. How exactly going on inside. Let's see that. Let's see how exactly going on inside. Everyone see how exactly going on. Let's take one example. Let's take one example and we'll check here. Right on now. Today's class, this is the major one. Today's class, this is the major one. X is equal to y plus z star 60 some number. X is equal to y plus z star 60. Right? And one more before, actually it is not required. I'm just only for namesake I'm writing. Float x comma y comma z. Declaration also there. Float x comma y comma z. X is equal to y plus z star 60. X is equal to y plus z star 60. Right? Before going to use any variable, you have to declare I declared. Before going to use any variable, I have to declare I declare. But my goal is only this statement. My goal is only second statement, not first statement. My goal is only second statement, not first statement. Now listen everyone. Everyone listen. So before going further, I want to ask you, please help me. What is the X data type? Please let me know what is the X data type. It is a sequence number. It is a variable name. It is a variable type. I want answer from everyone. What is the X type? What is the Y type? What is the Z type? I want everyone respond. What is the X type? What is the Y type? What is the Z type? Everyone know. Please respond. Any doubt there, you can ask me. Any doubt there, you can ask me. Right? X type, Y type, Z type. I think everyone know X type is float. How you know? Because of declaration. Because of declaration only, I got to know X type is float. Y type is float. Z type is float. Because of declaration only, I got to know. Now, can anyone help me? If declaration not there, can you say what is the X type? If declaration not there, I cannot say what is the X type. If declaration not there, I cannot say what is the Y type. If declaration not there, I cannot say what is the Z type. Right? So these are all the people types I got to know because of declaration only. So because of declaration, listen, because of declaration, I got to know X type is float. So see this one, everyone. 1. Variable is X, type float. 2. Serial number 2. Variable name is Y, type is float. Next one, variable name is Z, type is float. Type is float, like this. Now some people are asking, sir, what is the name of these tables? Are symbol table. Symbol table. This is called symbol table. Now one more thing I want to ask you. Can anyone help you now? Symbol table came because of declaration or not? Symbol table came because of declaration or not? If declaration is not there, how I know X type is float? If symbol table is, if declaration is not there, how I know Y type is float? If symbol table is not there, how I know Z type is float? Because of declaration only the symbol table is came. You only say symbol table not there. You only say declaration not there. Right? What I will store inside symbol table? So remember everyone. From today onwards, remember everyone. In the symbol table, if you observe, X type float, Y type float, from where it came? From declaration. If declaration is not there, from where I know X is a float? Because of declaration only that symbol table story came. Now one more important thing I want to say to everyone remember. One more important thing I want to say everyone remember. Symbol table contain variable names. Symbol table contain variable names. Symbol table contain function names. Symbol table stores variable name. Symbol table store function name. User defined variable, user defined functions, which are known as identifier. User defined, right? User defined variables, user defined functions. These are known as identifiers. These are known as identifiers. Remember, symbol table stores identifiers. Symbol table stores identifiers. From today onwards, if anyone asks you, symbol table stores what? Identifier. What are the identifier? User defined variables, user defined functions. Those are known as identifier. They will be there in the symbol table. Now, one small question I want to ask you. One small question I want to ask you. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. In the program, user can give the variable name whatever he want or not. Whenever I am writing a program, user can write the variable name whatever he like. User can write the function name whatever he like. Whatever variable name you want, he can write in the program. Whatever function name you want, he can write. The reason is there is no fixed thing. Any variable name you can write, any function name you can write. Because of anything he is writing, so definitely there should be one place where they will store. Because when you write blindly something, there should be some management. If that management is not there, it is a serious issue. Because these are not predefined names. These are the user defined names. Right? The person who written the programming language is given lot of, right? He is given the flexibility to the user. You select whatever name you like. We will take care. The person who written this programming language, he said that whatever variable name you want, you can take. Whatever function name you want, you can take, because we will take care. You take whatever you want, we will take care. How they are taking care? They are taking care in the symbol table. The inventor of this programming language saying that you take any variable name, you take any function name, because we will take care, right? You no need to bother. You want to take any variable, you want to take variable name as X, you take. You want to take variable name as X, Y, Z, variable name, you take. We will take care. Now it is a correct time to ask you. Listen, it is a correct time to ask you. It is a correct time to ask you. Everyone listen, it is a correct time to ask you. User can take whatever keyword you want or not. I want answer from you. I want answer from everyone. User can take whatever keyword he like. No, keywords are predefined. Those only you can take. Keywords are predefined. I can take, see, keywords are predefined. Those only I can take. So can I take the keyword if? Yes. Can I take the keyword return? Yes. Can I take the keyword into? Yes. So I cannot take whatever keyword I like. Whatever is available, out of them I can select. But variable name, you can select whatever you want. Whatever you feel, you can write. I can take variable name as hidden. I can take variable name as Shakir. I can take variable name as Neha. I can take variable name as Akanksha Neha. I can take variable name as Manish. I am saying one more thing. I can take variable name go to hell. I can take variable name go to hell. I can take variable name God is seeing from top. You can take whatever you want, but keywords you cannot take whatever you want. Now, last question I want to ask you. Variable names are fixed or not? No. User, right? Next one. Function names are fixed or not? No. So can I take whatever I want? Yes. Then where they will be managed? In the symbol table. Next one. Can I take whatever keywords I want? No. Keywords are fixed. Can I take whatever operators I want? No. Operators also fixed. Operators also fixed. What I want to say is keywords are fixed. Next one, operators are fixed. Boolean operators are fixed. Relational operators are fixed. Arithmetic operations are fixed. Logical operators are fixed. What I mean to say is, except variable name, function name, everything is fixed. So symbol table contain user-defined variable, user-defined function. The things which are given by user, they will store in the symbol table. Some people are asking, sir, where because of operators are fixed, keywords are fixed, sir, where they will store, sir? They will store in, if it is a C language, Turbo C compiler. Inside compiler, it will store. Inside compiler, they will store. You only say compiler is a software. When you say software, it will store in some database. In that database, all the operators will store. All the keywords will store. Are you getting? When you say Turbo C compiler is installed, when you say compiler is installed, what is the meaning of compiler installed? Compiler is a software. Software is installed means indirectly that software is saying to your computer, these operators only allowed. These keywords only allowed. Remember, compiler is nothing but some conditions. Compiler is nothing but some rules. One rule is saying that these operators only have to use. Compiler is nothing but set of rules. Compiler is nothing but set of rules. Those rules are saying that these operators only you have to allow. These keywords only you have to allow. Some rules are there. So one of the rule is these operators only. One of the rule is these keywords only. But in terms of the variable name, you can select whatever you want. In terms of the function name, whatever you want, you can select. So last question I want to ask. Someone is saying, but float is a keyword, of course. Float is a keyword, right? So you can say it's a keyword, it's a data type also. Keyword, you can say data type also. All predefined things are keywords, right? So in that some special category. In that if is a keyword, if is a keyword, return is a keyword, break is a keyword, continue is a keyword, main is a keyword, print is a keyword, some predefined things. User-defined variable, user-defined function, they will store in symbol table. Next one, plus is a operator, star is a operator. Next one, right? So one more thing is R operator, bitwise and operator, they are operators. They are operators, right? Fine. So, and one more thing is float is a data type. You can say keyword also. They are data types, right? Actually, int is a data type. Actually, int is a data type. If you want, you can say keyword also. But when you are studying in the C language, you will study data types. That is also keyword kind of thing, but separate thing. So that is going to be what the answer? Data types. Data types. If is a keyword, star is a operator. So like that. Okay, fine. Okay, whatever you got, it's okay. Last question. Everyone comment in the comment section. Everyone comment in the comment section. What will store in symbol table? Comment. Make it fast. What will store in symbol table? Everyone. What will store in symbol table? Everyone. Make it fast. Identifier. What is the meaning of identifier? Type that also. What is the meaning of identifier? Symbol table contain identifiers. I am very happy. What are the identifiers? User-defined variable, user-defined function. User-defined variable, user-defined functions. Identification purpose only names. User-defined variable name. User-defined function name. Identification purpose only. Identification purpose only. Next one. Can you help me now? Operators will store inside symbol table. No. Then where they will store? They will store inside compiler. Compiler is a set of rules. One of the rule is these operators only. One of the rule is these keywords only. One of the rule is these operators only. One of the rule is these keywords only. Right? So please be careful. Right? See, the things which are not there in the symbol table, they will be there. They will be there inside compiler. That is the meaning of compiler. Compiler is installed. In my computer, compiler is installed. Indirectly, your compiler is saying to your computer, these operators only allowed, these keywords only allowed, something like that. Okay, fine, that's okay. That's okay. Now listen. Now listen, everyone. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Careful, everyone listen. So, because of this declaration, I'm saying clearly, because of this declaration, this table came. Because of this declaration, this table came. Right? Because of this declaration, this table came. Try to understand. Right? This declaration only, this table came. Right? Now you may say that, sir, who stored? Who stored? Remember, everyone. Right? So afterwards I will confirm. Afterwards I will confirm. Afterwards I will confirm. Because of this declaration only, this table came. Who stored it? Who stored it? Right? I'm saying now semantic analyzer. Semantic analyzer. Who stored it? Semantic analyzer. Afterwards I will say why. Afterwards I will say why. But one thing I want to say to you, everyone can store inside, listen, every phase of the compiler can store inside a symbol table. Depending upon their requirement, they will store. Depending upon their requirement, they will take. Everyone can store, right? I can guess because of a lot of experience I have. So I can guess, right? By seeing the declaration, semantic analyzer will store in symbol table. You got to know. X is a float. Y is a float. Y is storing. Afterwards, I will say that also. By seeing a declaration, semantic analyzer will store the total information, whatever there in the declaration, inside symbol table. But remember, this is not our goal. Our goal is this line only. Now I am starting. Everyone listen. Now I am starting. From now onwards, careful. Remember this. This also remember. Semantic analyzer stored this data. Stored this by seeing this declaration. Semantic analyzer stored inside the table. Remember it. Whenever correct time, I will ask you. At that time, you have to give answer. Now come back. Now see this one. This is our major line. This is our major line. So this particular line, if I give to compiler, what will happen? Let me check. Our goal is only this line, not first line. Second line only our goals. Remember everyone. This is the right. This is the input to first phase of the compiler, which is a lexical analyzer. This is the input to first phase of the compiler, which is the lexical analyzer. Which is the lexical analyzer. The statement will be given as input to the lexical analyzer because it's the first phase of the compiler. Is the first phase. Someone is saying that, sir, does this mean that if some invalid variable name is kept by user, then it is checked by semantic analyzer or semantic analyzer? You will see anyhow. But Aditya, you will see anyhow, right? You will see anyhow. Don't ask me, it will disturb the other people. Don't ask anything, right? At the end, you will get the clarity. At the end, you will get the clarity. If I say now, some confusions will come. Concentrate here. So, x is equal to y plus z star 60. This will go as input to the lexical analyzer. Is the first phase of the compiler. Lexical analyzer is the first phase of the compiler. Try to remember. You cannot expect great things from the first phase. From the first phase of the compiler, you cannot expect great things. So what I mean to say is the first phase. Maximum introduction will be done. First phase of the compiler cannot do everything. You will do most probably introduction. What is the introduction? See this one. Listen everyone now. Lexical analyzer will ask the X. Lexical analyzer will ask the X. Hello X, can you introduce? Hello X, can you introduce? Right? X will say, listen, X will say, I am a identifier. Remember, lexical analyzer purpose is some introduction, right? Everyone will introduce like this. So X is an identifier. You will say X is an identifier. Lexical analyzer is asking every person, can you introduce yourself? Lexical analyzer asking every person, can you introduce yourself? X is saying that, hello lexical analyzer, my name is X, I am a identifier. Then immediately lexical analyzer will say that if at all you are identifier, you should be there in the symbol table. Lexical analyzer is asking the X, hello X, can you introduce yourself? X is saying that, hello lexical analyzer, my name is X, so I am an identifier. Immediately lexical analyzer will say that if at all you are identifier, you should be there in the symbol table. So he will verify in the symbol table which row is available. First row he will verify, second row, third row, like that he will check until he will find out. He find out in the first row itself. Yeah. So lexical analyzer will inform to X saying that, hello X, you said that you are an identifier. You should be there in the symbol table. I verified also. You are there in the symbol table first row. Then he will say that, yeah, from now onwards, if anyone asks, hello X, if anyone asks you from now onwards, my request to you is, please give this token number. This is the token number. This is your token. From now onwards, if anyone asks you, please give this token number. The purpose of this token number is X is a identifier. It is there in the symbol table first row. X is a identifier. It is there in the symbol table first row. If anyone asks you from now onwards, hello X, what are you? Who are you? So don't say I am this, I am that. Just give this token number, they will get to know. Just give this token number, you will get to know that. Right? Fine. So it is something like this. You went to the one of the hotel to eat the food. You went to one of the hotel. So you went to the ticket counter, right? You paid the bill also. They given one token. Whenever you have token, you no need to introduce yourself. Just give token number. If token is not there, they will ask you, right, what you are going to eat, right? So how much you are going to eat. You like this or not, you like that or not, some discussion. When you have a token number, just show token number inside that particular, right, inside that particular hotel, automatically they will get to know, is this, is that, they will get the clarity. So X is the identifier, its token number is ID, 1. Next one, after X, equal is coming. Can anyone help? Can anyone help? Can anyone help? C compiler knows about all C language operators or not? C compiler knows about C language all operators or not? Make it fast. C compiler knows about all C language operators or not? Because of he knows, because of, right, C compiler knows about all C language operators. Every compiler knows what operators it is having. That the reason, right? Whenever it is came, he got to know that it is a operator. Which operator it is? Assignment operator? Yes. So he got to know it is the assignment operator. It is the assignment operator. And one more thing is, because of this person known to everyone, in the compiler, everyone knows this person. Because in the compiler database itself, right, all the operators are allowed. Because of he is known to everyone, no need to give token. Always remember, only new people token is given. Only new people token is given. For every person, no need to give token. New people only token. For every person, no need to give token. So if you want, you can, if you want, you can check one time. If you want, you can check one time. Right, inside your house, there is no token to mama saying that I am mama, I am Shakir mama, I am Neha mama, I am Reddy sir mama. Like that, no tokens are there. Known people no need to have token. Unknown people only token. Variable name, user can take whatever he want. Any name he can take. So for user defined variable, user defined function, token name is required, token number required. For the known things, no need to do token number. What is the requirement of, so Papa having token, I am Reddy sir Papa, I am Reddy sir Papa, I am Hidden Papa, I am Vipul Papa. What is the need of this? Known people, no need of token. So in the Vipul house, Vipul Mama saying that I am Vipul Mama, right? Vipul Papa is having the token, I am Vipul Papa. Vipul is saying that I am my Mama Papa's son. I am my Mama Papa's son. So like that, what is the total family tokens or what? Total family tokens. Are people don't have common sense. Total family tokens kya yaar? Everyone in the Vipul house is Chota brother. If Chota brother is having the token saying that I am Chota brother of Vipul, I am Chota brother of Vipul, why yaar? Total family tokens. Don't you think it is so bored? It is a nonsense. So only for unknown people. So one student asking in one of the class, Reddy sir, you given token to X. You given the token number to Y also. Why don't you give to assignment operator also? Why don't you give for operator? Array man, compiler knows about operators. Compiler knows about the keyboard. The things which are new people give token number. New people give token number. So old people, you don't need to give. So I think there is no token number for assignment operator. By seeing this one, compiler got to know that, lexical analyzer got to know that. See, whenever you say compiler, some people are asking, compiler means what, sir? Compiler means these people. Compiler means these people. Whenever compiler see assignment operator, compiler means these all people. So everyone knows what is assignment operator. Everyone knows. But everyone don't know user-defined variable. Everyone don't know user-defined function. But everyone knows what is the C language operator, what is the C language keyword. Everyone knows. Because of they knows, they don't give any key, any token. So I think this is the token number. Next one. I think after assignment operator is over, Y came. Y is saying that, right? Lexical analyzer is asking, hello Y, can you introduce yourself? Y is saying that I am a identifier. Hello lexical analyzer, I am the new person, I am a identifier. Immediately will say, if at all you are identifier, you should be there in the symbol table. Let me go and check. I think he verified. In the second row is there, he will say your token number is ID, 2. So from now onwards, if anyone asks you, right, why can you introduce yourself and all, you no need to say, just to show this token number. That is the reason in the college also, when you join first day, college people will give, right, identity card, which is the token. Whenever you join the college, first day of the college, they will give the identity card. They will give token number. Next time onwards, if in the college anyone asks you anything, who are you, right, why you came inside the campus, just to show token number, just to show identity card. In the college also, first day of the college, right, I think introduction will be happened. After introduction is over, they will give token numbers, because in that college these all people are new people. Because of they are new people, they, after introduction is over, they will give token number, which is nothing but identity card. Everyone having identity card. Everyone having identity card. So, right, I think lexical analyzer is asking the Y, hello Y, can you introduce? Immediately Y said that I am identifier. Immediately lexical analyzer said that if at all you are identifier, you should be there in the symbol table. Let me check. Oh, he is there. So your token number is ID, 2. Next one, plus came. Plus, whenever plus is came, lexical analyzer is saying that, hello plus, you are my best friend because I know you very well. Whenever plus came, lexical analyzer don't have a day. Oh plus, you are my family. I know you very well. So what is the answer? It is a addition operator. It is the addition operator. You got to know. Hey plus, you are addition operator. I know very well. Yeah, no token number. Next one, Z is came. Immediately Z saying that I am a identifier. Immediately lexical analyzer will say, if you are identifier, just wait, I have to check in the symbol table. In the symbol table is right, in the symbol table is available. I think identifier. So ID, 3. Sir, semantic phase only created table. Just shut up. Are you hidden? Just shut up. You just shut up first. Are you getting? You just shut your mouth. Aditya also asked, if you don't know how to shut your mouth, if you don't know, ask Aditya.